Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and I want to show you today a Romanian cake called 12 o'clock. Delicious and easy to make, and I'm going to show you step by step everything you need to know about it. Okay, for the base of this cake I'm going to need 150 grams of sugar, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 25 milliliters of water, 5 grams of baking powder, 4 eggs, 40 grams of butter, 150 grams of flour, and a pinch of salt. And I have here vanilla extract and also some rum extract. I'll mix here flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. I don't want to drop any of the egg yolk in here, so I will do this careful. Oop. Yeah. And I broke that one, but I didn't drop any of the egg yolk here in the egg white mixture. If you drop any egg yolk in the egg whites are not going to whisk with stiff peaks. So this is why try not to drop any of the egg yolk in here. Captain Kill. I'm going to use my mixer to mix the egg whites. I'm going to add a pinch of salt over them. In the beginning I'm going to start at a slower speed, and after a minute or so I will increase it. I want to obtain stiff peaks here from my egg whites, so I'm using the mixer because it's faster. Gradually I will add the other ingredients, so you see me now adding sugar, and I'll continue to use the mixer. I will add egg yolks, water, and the rest of the extract, the rum extract, vanilla extract to give flavor, and all the ingredients that I showed you in the beginning of the video, and also dry ingredients. I will try to use the spatula as well to see if we still have some dry ingredients that are not completely mixed in the batter. But as you can see, it's pretty much ready to be baked. I will pour the batter in the tin. Thank you. Try to pour the batter all over the tray. This way the cake will rise evenly and you're not going to have a domed sponge cake. Okay, so this one goes in the oven now to bake. So for syrup I need 125 grams of sugar, rum extract, 10 grams of instant coffee, and 300 milliliters of water. It's perfect. Water here with sugar to boil of the stove. I'm adding here instant coffee in the syrup. Is boiled. And rum extract. Look at this. This is going to end up over the cake. But I need to find a way to cool this down. Okay? I took the sponge cake from the oven. It is baked. I have to let it cool down, but I'm going to take it out from the tin. This way is going to cool down faster. Then and we need to eat this just to see if it's good or not. And after I cut the edges, I will try to cut it in smaller cubes, equal ones, as best as I can. You know, I am trying my best. Guys, sorry if I'm not talking, but I'm trying to do this as precise as I can. Trying my best to cut perfect squares here. You know, I am not good at this, but I am trying, focusing hard. Thank you so much. So I cut the cakes. Let's pour syrup over. Let them soak all that syrup and make sure to pour later more if it's needed. And I'm going to make a glaze from 30 grams of butter, 100 grams of chocolate, and around 3 tablespoons of milk. I will keep the pot on the stove on low heat until everything is going to melt and combined. And I'm going to glaze every cake with that. Okay, cream here. It's unsweetened one, made from real milk, not hydrogenated vegetable thing. Whisk the cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar now. And decorate the cakes with it, and also add a piece of chocolate on top of them, and keep them in the fridge until you want to serve them. So this is the Romanian 12 o'clock cake with basic ingredients, and I really hope you're going to try it and like it, because it is really good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, find reasons to smile, and see you here next time. Bye!